Hello everyone, it's Joe Casadonti, Casadonti Homes. I'm at my Creek Road job today, and we are sheetrocking, finishing up installing the heating units and a couple other things. And I want to show you the insulation in the garage here. So the garage is fully insulated on all your interior walls, including the ceiling, because there's living space above. And then of course there's no insulation in areas that are outside walls. Now this will get insulated, but it'll get blown in later after the sheetrock is done. Then the upper levels and all the attic areas will get blown in with an R38 or more, and it's the best way to do that. But I just wanted to show you that even though these exterior walls are never going to be, they're not insulated, it's not living space, we still foam everything, really making it as airtight as we can, just in case somebody decides to finish this off later. It won't be as much trouble, but all this foam work, it's definitely makes the garage tighter, if you will. And what most people don't realize is it really doesn't matter with your garage doors. There's always air leaking through them and everything else, so it's really an unconditioned space no matter what you do, unless you make it otherwise. So we're going to walk in and see how to do with the sheetrock here. Okay, so I'm on the lower level. Got our heating guys putting in their units, finishing that up. Hopefully we'll have heat in a couple days. This lowest level is the last to get sheetrocked, so they're on their way. You can see here that they are in the family room, kitchen, breakfast room area, doing their thing, doing a nice job. We'll walk through here. Space looks so nice once you get it sheetrocked. You get it taped and spackled, it looks even better. But it's looking really nice. We'll walk up here. This is our mid-level where we have the 3 bedrooms, laundry room, and bath. And you'll see on any areas that could get a possible wet, anything wet, we use this blue board. There's a sink right here, so the whole wall is blue board. Washer, dryer, sink, so it's blue board. When you come into the whole bathroom, you see the same thing where the vanity backsplash would be. It's all blue board. And in the showers here, you'll see above it, blue board. On the sides of it, blue board. Everywhere around it. Tubs and showers, both blue board. The area you see that's not done in here, this will all be concrete wonderboard. So that'll all be Dura rock or wonderboard and then tile. So it'll be cement board basically. And then it gets rubber coated and then tiled. It's the right way to do it. You can also see, maybe, I don't know if you can see it, nailing and gluing pattern. So everything gets glued. Corners get nailed, centers get screwed. So, there's screws here. Really hard to see, but bottom line is there's a pattern there of nailing and screwing to meet code, and then also to sometimes, above code. You're doing what you need to do, but you're also doing what you should do. So you can see between screws and nails and stuff. It's done well. I mean, it's hard to see if I stand still and you actually zoomed in or something. You could see the million screws there on that wall. Kind of hard to see. But anyway, so it's getting done right. And part of my job is to, watch that, make sure it's getting done, and be on site, be around, go over these things. I mean, we pretty much have it down to a system. We know what we're doing on certain things, well, most things. I won't say everything because you don't know everything, nobody does. But our system is good, and I'm on site daily, and the guys respect that, and they appreciate it too. And also keeps everybody on their toes, So here you have the green board, I'm sorry, blue board. I call it green board because it used to be green, but it's blue now. So there you got that wrapped around the vanity area. And then this entire shower area, most of this, well, you'll see it, you'll see the blue, but all this open space will all be door rock, cement board, all through this shower. And there's a double shower in here. You know, they got a shower head on each side. And we kept an opening up high because we got 9-foot ceilings, so we kept an opening up high to get light in here, and it really works well. Really works well. Okay, that's it for today, folks. Have a good day.